Hi guys, today I want us to tackle a technical drawing question that says, given the following views, take point X as the lowest point and construct A isometric view of the block. That one is A, B oblique full view of the block. I want us to tackle question A, isometric. To tackle isometric, we must know the length, width, and height. Our length will be given by this distance, which is 12 plus 68 plus 12. Our point X was at this point, 12 plus 68 plus 12, which will give us 92. Our width will be given by 60 plus 12 plus 12, which is 84. And our height will be given by 35 plus 35 plus 12, which is 82. After that, you construct a cuboid using these measurements. This is how you hold your rulers to construct a cuboid. By holding that one that way, this one is 30 degrees. Draw your 30 that way. You rotate it, move it a bit. That one is 30. You move it up to that point to construct 90 degrees. That one is 90 degrees. After that, you construct your cuboid. So I'm done drawing my cuboid. So we are inserting the measurements. At this distance, from bottom to up is 12 millimeters. The same applies to the other end. So it is 12 millimeters all the way around. 12 millimeters all the way around the drawing. That is what we are going to do right now. Grab your 12. It is only the X and Z plane we are going to deduct 12. So it is that one, and the one that will pass through there. This one, that one. So that you join your points, that is 2H. Push that line that side. You push this line to this part here. It should be that side. Do not prolong it so far. After that, we know our drawing. From this part to here is another 12, which I should one is 12. 12. We join those points. So this line is this one. So from this part to here is 12. You reduce 12 from that part, which is at that line. Same to this one. From that point, you can draw perpendicular lines from this part going upward. The height of this line is 35 plus 35, which is 70. So to confirm our line, should be 70. Up to 70, that point. The other line should be 70, this one. Join those 2 points using 2H. But from this corner here to this point, there leaves a gap of 12 centimeters. Let us input that. Grab 12 centimeters, 12 millimeters, sorry. One there is okay. So from here to left, and here to left. That's done. You can put this one, this 20 from up to there. 20 both sides from here to go there. You join this point to this one. Now you can use HB, this point. This point to here. This line should be drawn in HB, and this one, the same on drawing. Drop the lines up to here. Drop this line and this one to be HB. That is from this point that way. Same applies to this one here. To this point, complete. Now we are done with that. What you need again to bold is this. Let me do that right now. This one should be in bold. HB. This line up to this point. The other part is hidden by this block. After that, you transfer this line to this point, going that side. The same way here. These lines must be parallel to this one. So, grab your ruler. Right there. That is how you push a line to that point. Draw it using 2H. Just extend it. That corner, you extend that line. That corner you extend also. And the last one, you extend it. After that, you also transfer this line to the other end. That is, you can decide to use your compass, because you know from this part, this one to here is 68. Let us do that. 68. One to 68. There. Right there. Come to stand at this point. You mark 68. That line. This line also 68. From that part. This one too. 68. The down one, this one, 68. Now you join those points using a ruler. This point, we are down. This distance from here up to here is 68. In this point using HB to that point. So I've said you join all the parts with HB. I've joined this part with HB. This one. The remaining one is this one using HB. That's not my HB. Same applies to this edge. Draw it using HB. You leave the hidden side. So our diagram will be in that form. Oh, sorry, I left something out. There should be a circle in this view. Stated that the diameter of 30 was at the center. So we have to put this circle to a isometric projection. That means our circle has to lie here between. This line means that the circle is at the center of this image. By here we are told 35 from up, 35 from down. We get the center of the circle. That is, to get the center the circle, we have to measure 35 from this point to that point and 35 from this point to that point. Let us do that right now. We find the center of the circle, 35. One is 35. Now I have 35. Make a mark. Make a mark. Join that. From this point to this point, we have 60. Therefore, half of 60 is 30. Take your 30, which is that one, 30. From this point, half of that. From this point, half of that. Join that point. So this one is my center. We said to construct a circle in isometric projection, we must first construct a square in isometric view, which is as the same sides as the diameter. Our diameter is 30. Therefore, from here, we have to construct a square with diameter with sides 30. So we have to go into graph 15 because I want to transfer that to my 15. From here, measure 15. Then here 15. So applies here. I measure 15. This side 15. Here 15. Side 15. Side 2 15. 15. Then we join the sides. That will be this part to that part. So I have made a square at this point, from this point to here, this point to here. That is a square of side 30, which is our diameter. We want to construct a circle inside this square. We said we have to start by identifying the shortest diagonal, which is this one. That one is our shortest diagonal. We can say this one is our center 1, this one is our center 2. After that, you draw a line from this point to the center of the opposite lines. That is this one, that one, that one. Next, the same thing from this point, that point, from this point to the opposite side, other side. That's done. We have our centers. This one is our 3. This one is our 4. You come stand at this point. You draw a circle. When I stand at point 1, the distance from 1 to this side is equal to from 1 to this part. Therefore, let me draw that arc. up to that point. Rotate your compass to the other side. Draw an arc up to that point. You stand at center 3. You draw this small arc here. The opposite side of 4. Do the same. Then you repeat that one using HB, your HB. Let me draw that arc. Up to that point, rotate your compass to the other side. Draw an arc up to that point. You stand at center 3. You draw this small arc here. The opposite side of 4. Do the same. Then you repeat that one using HB, your HB. So I'm done. That should be my diagram in isometric projection. Remember that when you are told to draw anything in oblique or isometric projection, you should not insert the dimensions because you are already given. So do not insert the dimensions in the oblique or isometric view. With that, I can say I'm done. Our image will be in that way. Sorry, I forgot a line. This one should be in HB. This one. Let me add that one. I close my video.